The next thing I like to do whenever I make a pen is after I glue in the tube and the glue dries, and I don't use accelerator for that because I think the accelerator makes the CA glue bond weaker. So I have a piece of hickory here with a brass tube already in it, and I'm going to cut the end of this blank off so it's not so much to sand down on the Harbor Freight belt and disc sander that I have. And for this thing, I actually use it's a little portable portaband from Harbor Freight. This was like the best, what was this, like 60 or 70 bucks I've ever spent. You don't really want to cut off the blank or the brass tube on the inside. So I have about that much to take off, something like that. And I'm actually going to take off just a little bit less. So here you can see I haven't cut all the way down to the brass tube, and the rest of this I will just sand off on the belt and disc sander. So I do this to both sides of each pen blank. It's pretty simple. I'll do another one just so you guys can see. A vise is sort of needed for this. Makes things a lot easier. And all I have is, I think this is a 24 TPI. This is actually a metal cutting blade. It doesn't cut wood the best, but it works. It cuts okay. A wood blade will go through a lot faster than a metal blade will. I don't have very much to take off of this one. Perfect. So now I'll take these over to the sander and sand the edges.